Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all doing are well. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. In this video we learn how to make fancy hangings which is used especially in jewelry, also used as dress button and different purpose. But I use these hangings in earrings, which tutorial I upload soon inshallah. Please watch this video till end and don't forget to like and comment also. So let's get started. Materials which I used: jewelry wire, eye pin, head pin, scissor, cutter plier, toothpick, marble beads, and different sizes of pearls you can use in these hangings. First I made laurels. For detailed and different kinds of laurels tutorials, links in description. If you are new at my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more creative tutorials. I made 7 laurels for this hanging. You can use as your required. Cut all the laurels extra wire properly. Don't forget to hit like button and comment. Laurels are ready to use. Insert pearl in head pin. Cut extra head pin wire and make a small loop. Insert marble and all laurels. Cut extra wire and make a small loop. Hang another eye pin to hang these hangings. Close it properly. Now this hanging is ready. I will use these hangings in earrings. If you like my tutorials, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more creative and helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.